Yo, if you are annoyed for CapCut Pro issues and pre-composed issues, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CapCut the right way so it runs smoother, exports in HD, and you can use effects and transitions without random problems. No confusing steps, no wasting time, just the exact settings you need. Alright, watch this. So first, I'm going to open up CapCut on my PC, and you can see I'm logged in. Also, I'm using CapCut version 7.8.0, but the method works in latest version also. Now, let's start a fresh project and I'll drop this video in. Boom. Drag it into the timeline. Now I'm going to slice up the clip real quick so we can add some effects and transitions. And look, before we add anything, you'll notice there's no Pro badge popping up on these basic effects. So now let's add a couple effects, add some transitions, and make it look clean. Now check this out. But when we export, there's no random Pro pop-up blocking us, and we can even export in HD totally free. Now, if you're still here, hit subscribe because I'm about to show you the full step-by-step setup to make CapCut run smoother, error-free on your PC. One more thing. Always download CapCut from the official website, and if you want to download my version, just go to any browser and search for CapCut Old Version Download for PC, up-down, and get it from here. But don't use sketchy links and don't use a VPN while downloading. That's how people mess up their install. Now search for Graphics Settings. Once you're here, click on Browser and select your CapCut. Once the CapCut is selected, make this in high performance. Now close it and search for Adjust and select Adjust the appearance and performance of windows. Make sure you selected like me. No worries, after you get CapCut Pro activated, you can turn them on as you wish. Now open CapCut and log in with any Gmail. After that, click Windows, find CapCut, and open the file location of this. Here, you need to make sure that you have all these files exactly like me and get the product info.xml from my Telegram. To join my Telegram, just open my channel, subscribe it, and get the Telegram from here. Now, right-click and create a TXT file. Open the TXT file and paste this code. Just place the same version what download in your PC here. After doing this, save the file, close, and rename it into update.exe and save it. Hit Windows plus R in your keyboard and type regedit. You will drop here. Now expand Current User, then expand Software and find CapCut. Select this, right-click and empty space. Go to New and DWord 32-bit value. Rename this Client ID Passaway. Now click Modify, set decimal, and make the value to 8 nines. Then hit OK. Now open the client ID. Here, you need to copy the value data and close this. Again, right-click, New, String Value, set the name to Client ID Fix. Click Modify and paste it. Now replace the last digit with +1 and make sure this 4-digit is same as me. Now close this and open CapCut. Go to Settings, move your save path from C drive to another drive, and set the cache to Don't Delete and go to Performance. Here, your proxy must be turned off.
Now, we passed all the important steps, but it's the last step and it's optional. So if you have a good internet connection, you can follow this to pass any error of using effects in transactions. This is using VPN. For me, I use Soft Ether VPN. You need to make sure that you are connected to Japan must. So this was the legendary video of how you can unlock CapCut Pro in the latest version on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope the video helps you a lot, so drop a comment on which topic you want the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.